Forex trading offers greater liquidity as the market operates 24 hours a day, allowing traders to enter and exit positions at any time. The Forex market has lower entry barriers compared to stock trading, enabling more individuals to participate with smaller capital. Leverage in Forex trading is significantly higher than that of stocks, meaning traders can control larger positions with a smaller amount of money. Currency pairs are influenced by global economic events and news, giving traders numerous opportunities to capitalize on market movements. The Forex market features lower transaction costs, as spreads are typically narrower than commission fees charged in stock trading. In Forex, traders can profit from both rising and falling markets, utilizing strategies such as short selling more effectively than in stocks. The availability of various trading instruments in Forex, including options and futures, provides traders with more ways to diversify their portfolios. Forex trading allows for automated trading strategies, making it easier to execute trades consistently without emotional interference. Forex market hours accommodate traders from different time zones, allowing anyone to trade at their convenience. With over $6 trillion traded daily, the Forex market is the largest in the world, ensuring plenty of trading opportunities every day. News events and economic indicators provide traders with regular chances to react quickly and make trades based on fresh information. Technical analysis tools are widely available in Forex, assisting traders in making informed decisions based on market patterns. The Forex market often responds quickly to geopolitical events, making it more dynamic compared to the stock market. Educational resources and trading platforms for Forex are abundant, allowing both new and experienced traders to refine their skills effectively.
Forex trading can be incredibly profitable, but it's not just about luck. First, let's talk about market volatility. This is where the real opportunities lie. Currency values fluctuate constantly, creating chances to buy low and sell high. Next, leverage is a game changer in Forex trading. With leverage, you can control larger positions with a smaller amount of capital. This means your potential profits can be significantly amplified. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Manage your risks wisely. Also, the Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. This flexibility allows you to trade at your convenience, fitting into your lifestyle. Finally, education is key. Understanding market trends can lead to smarter trades. So, if you're willing to learn and adapt, Forex trading can be a rewarding venture.
Ready to dive into Forex trading with just $10? Let me show you how to get started with Exness in a few simple steps. Step 1. Sign up for an Exness account. It's quick and easy. Make sure to verify your identity to unlock all features. Step 2. Fund your account with that $10. Yes, just $10. Choose a payment method that works for you. They have plenty. Step 3. Start trading. Focus on major currency pairs to keep it simple at first. Use a demo account to practice before risking real money. Remember, it's all about learning and growing your skills. So, are you ready to take the plunge into Forex trading? Let's make those $10 work for you.